We all go through a wide spectrum of experiences every single day. Moments of joy, times of sorrow, and everything in between. These experiences shape us, both consciously and unconsciously, and they write stories within us. Stories that we carry throughout our lives. These inner stories have been with us since the beginning of creation. Sometimes they are loving and uplifting, but often we also carry pain, old wounds, memories that keep us trapped. Ho'oponopono helps us release these memories. It is like returning home to our original state, to the void, to zero, the place of our inner divinity, pure, untouched, and perfect. The first step is to recognize the inner playbook, the invisible screenplay we unconsciously hold on to, the one we keep acting out in our lives. Through the practice of Ho'oponopono, the unihipini, our subconscious can be freed from the nightmares of the past. And in this freedom, the path toward harmony and healing opens. What makes this practice of Ho'oponopono so unique is simple. We don't work with goals. We don't hold expectations, because both would limit the work of the divine. As we clean our past, the present and future are transformed. Healing flows from our divine essence in ways beyond anything we could have ever envisioned. Every moment is an opportunity, an invitation to rewrite our inner script, not according to our will, but from the pen of inspiration. Suddenly change begins to happen. We start to experience things we never thought possible, not because we planned them, but because we opened ourselves to divine inspiration. The purpose of Ho'oponopono is not success, not achievement, not control. If there is a goal at all, it is this: to create space for inspiration, space for what is new, space for the divine to move through us. This is what our events are designed to offer: cleaning and returning to your true identity, living from inspiration. Anyone can walk this path. Every single moment is created for us to start anew. All it takes is the willingness. If you feel called, I invite you to learn more and to experience the power of Ho'oponopono for yourself.